Hello friends, Alva here. Welcome back to Monday's Live YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to go through my phone and show to you what are the different applications installed on my phone, what I have on the day-to-day. So I didn't do this video last year. I only did it, I think, 2 years ago, because I don't really change my phone every year. Every year that Apple comes out with a new phone, I just don't really change it all the time. So I change it every 2 years or so. So I'm pretty excited to go through my phone and show you all the different applications that I have installed on it. I'm going from the iPhone 14 Pro, which I loved and really enjoyed having, to the iPhone 16 Pro actually. So the two main upgrades that I'm getting from this one is the Apple ProRes Log capability and the Apple Intelligence shenanigans that I'm going to probably not be using. But yes, let's go through this and I will show you the different applications and the different setup that I have in my phone. And you can compare it with my old video and just see a couple of changes. So as you can see, I always have a very simple setup, no secondary screen. I have only one main screen with I have three main stacks of widget. So the weather, so the Metal Swiss application, which is really good and really efficient application that shows me literally my weather. This is what I want to see whenever I turn on my phone and I'm unlocking it and I'm checking. The second is the Find My widget, which shows me the different devices and different items that have air tags that I have, where they are and where they're situated. So probably mainly my camera bag, my work backpack, and my different Apple devices. And then I have the batteries. So I have here the phone current battery status, but also my Apple Watch, and I have also like AirPods and all different sorts of applications, devices that are connected to it. And then I have the calendar. So I have my work calendar all through Gmail, and so as you can see, I have some spot review planned today. I have a flight to Paris this evening, and I have some other stuff planned as well. So that's my first stack. The second stack, I have, of course, the Endel widget. So this Endel, for those who don't know, it's a very good application that does soundscapes. So it can give you a sort of soundtrack to your day. Like you can listen to different things all day long. And then I have the YouTube Music. So YouTube Music is the application that I use for my music. And yes, as you can see, mostly of things. So there is the Focampe song, then Sikosa, then some random stuff. Yeah, heavily into MIDI songs. And then below you can see my Apple Fitness ring, kind of to show me how much I did not really move actually. So as you can see here, I have the different rings, and then behind there is the SPP application. So this is the Swiss public transportation official application, very good application. And then I have the Google search widget. So this Google search widget, I just use it mainly to identify the different songs that are playing when I'm like in a bar or in any other place. So that's what I use it mainly for. So yeah, those, and that's almost my screen. So, and then below I have the dock. On the dock I have the Even Realities application, then ChatGPT, YouTube Studio, and then Final Cut Camera. The Final Cut Camera, I use it just to be able to record different videos. So yeah, this is also, like I was saying, this is also the main reason for me to upgrade to this phone. So to have the capability to record the, how do you call it, to record in Apple ProRes Log. Like I was saying, so the Even Realities, this is the application to manage my glasses. You can see the dashboard, you can see different types of information on the glasses, the configurations, you have the teleprompt that I'm really struggling to use, especially in these videos. But then you have also the configurations, different settings. You have ChatGPT, which is here. Yes, I have the Pro subscription, but I'm not going to show it. And then you have the YouTube Studio with the very bad numbers that I have on my channel. Then you have also, yes, Apple Final Cut Camera. Yes, I'm wearing sleepers while recording this video. And yeah, you can also see my ugly face from here, from this angle. So yeah, that's basically my screen. That's what I have all the time, and you have background. So if you go a bit deeper and then you try to go into the applications, Is it recording? Yes, it's still recording. Perfect. So the different applications does. So for social, you have a bunch of messaging applications, some of them safer than the others, depending on the conversations and the group of friends we are talking to. The only social media, so it's Instagram that I have here. I rarely have Facebook. From time to time I have the Facebook Marketplace applications because it really works very well here in Switzerland. But yeah, that's almost the only application that I have. So this is my Instagram, and yeah, the others are just, oh, I have Twitter as well. So yeah, Twitter. And yeah, in terms of utilities, so I am getting away from Dashlane, so that's why, and I'm really happy that I have this passwords application from Apple that is now doing the work. I have the Google Authenticator, what else, Compass, and things that I can't really manage to use correctly. I have the eZug application. Yeah, kudos to the Swiss efficiency and the public administration, the canton of Zug. They're really cool, and they provide you like a proper electronic way of following and doing your different paperwork and stuff. So I still need to go to the level at which they're doing it. So I have this left application as well. So this application, I don't know, for those who don't know this application, it's an application that goes into the Stoic point of view, like Stoic philosophy of memento mori. So it's literally showing you the different remaining times. So for example, in the year 2025 there is still 271 days, which can be converted to percentage, so 76. Or there is this ugly bug that I don't really find funny, but for some time, this is the second time it shows me that I have 0 years left. So I don't know how to check that. There's Easy Park. Easy Park is a very good application for parking. So I used it. I think I started using it in France, back in France. And I think I have used it across Europe, in Portugal, in Belgium, here as well in Switzerland with different cars. So it's a very good application to manage the parking. So it becomes a bit expensive if you are using it on a daily basis or something like that, because they are adding a fee on the utilities. I have OAuth, for example, on Google. So Google Authenticator, it's my second factor authenticator tool application that I'm using. I don't know if it's ever the way they made it kind of cloud servable or available. So, but yeah, it's really handy, and I really love being able to do that. So about creativity, so I have Lightroom, I have Snapseed. I'm really a good fan of Snapseed. I think Google didn't really, I don't know if they didn't invest the time or whatever, but yeah, Snapseed was the best like photo editing application on the phone, and I think they kind of ruined it by not working on it at all. I have Canva, and I use it for a bunch of different personal projects. So I used it, for example, during our wedding last year to do most of our invitations, different invitations. I think I made all of them myself, and yeah, send them to be printed out, the different cards. I am now getting old, so I bought a printer. I have this Canon print application that is literally a lifesaver. I have VLC, of course. I think at some point in the past I struggled to open some strange file, like an MKV, you know, H265 codec file, and then yeah, I ended up like now starting to have it always on my phone. So in productivity, I still have Dashlane that I need to get rid of because I have moved to passwords. It's a bit shitty because now, like for example, I have two laptops. I have a personal Mac and a work Mac, and these two have two different iCloud accounts, obviously. So I have two synchronizations of passwords, one with the work laptop and the other with the personal cloud account. So yeah, not ideal. I have Gemini. I haven't really used it. I should try. I have Notion. I have Grok. I find it kind of useful to try to answer me in its cringe way, I would say, on some points and on some subjects. Yeah, but that's all. The rest is it's Notion. Yeah, Notion is the application that I use to literally manage my life. So I have everything. I have all my projects, personal projects, most of collaborations with different people. I have them in here. I used to have two, I think they call them not workspace, but yeah, two accounts and something. But yes, I ended up like putting everything together now. I have everything there. I have Squarespace because my websites. Most of my websites are on Squarespace, so I use it to manage those. So finance, I shouldn't be showing this, but yeah, this is where my money is managed. So some Swiss banks, some French banks, some coin, some crypto applications, but yeah, that's literally all. And then for entertainment, so you only see Disney Plus, but this is because I jump to Disney Plus, then jump to Apple TV Plus, whatever it's called, then jump to Netflix, and then we also jump. So my wife will take one subscription, and then the next time I take the other one. It's just because on some accounts she has that account for longer. So yeah, something like that. I have YouTube Music, like I said, it's the one that knows me the best and the one that knows most of the songs that I listen to, and yeah, the most of the songs that I watch. It's a new phone, like I said, so it's still like downloading songs. So yeah, I'm probably going to struggle on my flight to travel. I have a bunch of airlines companies, so Air France, KLM, Ethiopian, and Swiss. So, and I think I have also EasyJet. I used to take a lot of EasyJet flights from Geneva, but now that moved to Zug and I fly from Zurich, I take Air France or KLM or Swiss from time to time. So yeah, the Swiss is where I manage my flights. Yeah, what else do I have here? So I have, but the TPG applications, I think I use it mostly for maps and to kind of know where I'm going when I'm in Geneva. But yeah, otherwise I have Google Maps and Google Earth. I have also Flight Radar. Yes, and I was following some in the East Africa regions this last week. So yes, I have a gold subscription for some time. I have also EDF Mobility for transportation in Paris. For business, I really don't use most of these, and I don't even, yeah, so I have Teams, I have Zoom for professional calls, I have Slack for my side projects and things like that. Health and fitness, so I have Calm for meditation. I haven't used it in recent time, but yes, this is my go-to application for meditation. I have PhilFit. So PhilFit is my application for my weight and other physical biometric measurement, I would say. So things are not really looking very well recently, but yeah, it happens. And yes, so that's where I track my weight and I track my other things. I used Worldtroy. So Worldtroy is supposed also to kind of give you insight, but I think I had it only for one, like the gold or the premium subscription. I had it only for some time, and then yeah, ended up getting rid of it. So what else can I show? Metro Swiss I kind of showed. So shopping, main things that I use here is Zara and Zalando, and yeah, obviously Amazon. I'm keeping Vua application because I really loved how it was working, and I keep downloading the updates. So for when I'm back in Rwanda, I don't know why I have it, but yeah, it's a good application. For education, so I have italki. It's a platform for learning languages, so I used it while I was having Swahili and German lessons. One of the teachers, my German teacher on italki, gave me memorize, and she was giving me like words to memorize, like the name says. I am also keeping the Tesla application on my phone that I use from time to time when I take a Tesla car from the Tesla store in Hamm in Zug, and I also have this nice looking clock. So that's basically it in terms of accessories. Yeah, I took a new power bank, and I also took this thing that is really nice. So this is like a charging station. It's like a charging station with MagSafe for the Apple Watch, but also for the AirPods at the same time, and then it takes a USB-C. So that is it. That's what I have on my iPhone. Those are the different applications that I use on a daily basis. So if you loved this video, yeah, you know the drill, please click on the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. Yeah, like, share. See you in the next one. Yeah, have a good one. Bye.